Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the piano roll for the specific channel that contains the audio-triggered MIDI. Once the piano roll is visible, inspect whether the channel is a sampler or instrument. Make sure the correct pattern is active and grid snap is set to your desired resolution for precise selection. Next, switch to the Select tool and draw a selection over all notes you want removed. This isolates the content. You're now ready to remove or mute those MIDI events rather than touching project audio files. With notes selected, press Delete to immediately remove them from the piano roll. This stops the MIDI from triggering sound. If you prefer non-destructive control, reduce velocities to 0 in the note properties so the clip remains but is silent. Once done, consider converting MIDI to audio only if you need to preserve other edits. Route the instrument to a mixer track, record audio, then mute the MIDI channel. Make sure to save a backup pattern before destructive edits so you can revert if needed. For finalization, mute the source channel or pattern and play the project to confirm the audio is gone. If you need to export without that part, route to the mixer and export stems or use export WAV file with appropriate options. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still hear sound, inspect routing and sidechain sends. Sometimes another channel is triggering the same plugin or the plugin has internal layering. Also verify pattern assignments and that no arpeggiator or ghost note source is active.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.